Miss Favor. Welcome to my channel. It's our Fenwick Life. Today I have a Fashom unboxing for you. This is my October Fashom. I'm very excited about this one. I took some screenshots of, I took some screenshots of my options this month so that you can see. Fashom is a clothing subscription box. The styling fee is $15. Your first 2 months, your styling fee is waived. You will not have a styling fee. And your styling fee is also credited towards anything you purchase in the box. If you forfeit purchasing anything, if you decide not to purchase anything, then the styling fee is your payment to Fashom for the service. So I have found some pieces out of Fashom that I absolutely love. The shirt I'm wearing, I travel with my pieces. I'm telling you, they have sent me some really great practical pieces for me. I'm very pleased, and I like the price point. So you're able to set your price point. That's something I really appreciate. I mean, you can do that on a lot of boxes, but they really stick to it here. So here's my box. Here is your return envelope. You put anything you don't want to purchase back in here and slip it right in your mailbox, which is very convenient. Here is all of my paperwork, and here is my bundle. Yay! Okay, so in this little envelope, hello beautiful, is a note from your stylist, suggested styles that are, you know, sort of on trend right now, your price sheet, and your instructions on how to use the box. So it's great. You can try everything you want on at home. You have 3 days to decide what you want to keep, what you want to send back. You can check out on the app, which I will link below for both Google Play and Apple iTunes. I will link both of those below. And now they currently have an online link, an online site where you can also sign up. That is in beta, so they're constantly changing. And I did hear a little something that they're going to be having their own line coming up. So that'll be very interesting. I'm very intrigued by that. So just a little something I caught in passing in one of their Instagram posts. I do follow them on Instagram. I love Fashom. I really think they're my #1 subscription service right now. And I know a lot of you are going, wow, yes, they started off a little rocky. They had some growing pains, but that's okay. Most companies do. Our business, we own a business, it started off very rocky. It happens. It's what you do. They listen to their feedback and they listen to their customers, and they are making big strides. I'm so happy to be a part of this. I just absolutely love it. So here's the note. Thank you for styling with Fashom again. So glad to know that you kept some items from the last box. I selected all sweaters and tops for you in this box. As you mentioned, you have enough pants for now. See, they really listen. Unfortunately, we do not offer shoes anymore, so I'm not able to include the booties in this box. Hope you like the items. Sorry the Vino color wasn't available from the tie bell sleeve pullover sweater, so we replaced it with green, and the sky color wasn't available from the knit round hem top, so we replaced it with blue. P.S. We have brand new inventory, which are Fashom exclusives. I'm so excited about that. Susie Q. Capital S-Z-E, capital Q-I. Now, I really wish I knew how to properly say her name. I want to make sure that I am saying it properly because she's done a great job for me. Okay, so let's get in here. Alrighty. Here's the box. Here's the bundle. I love the F. I say that every time. Oh, ooh, there's stripes. There you go. Now, I remember there being stripes. I picked something out, but you know, when you see it in person, it's so different than the picture. You know, sometimes it looks like the picture, but mostly you can't really tell what you're gonna get, what it's gonna be. It's gonna be great. So everything in this box, if I buy everything with the 25% discount, it's $154.50 for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. This is cute. Nice, lightweight, thin, crisscross striped top. Perfect. Little 3/4 sleeve. It's very stretchy and very lightweight. This is by Cupio Blush. Striped crisscross front tee, medium gray white, $40. There you go. Really cute. I obviously like stripes. I have many stripes. Love them. Ooh, this is so pretty. Okay, all right, this is the one she was talking about. I had selected it in burgundy. And this is green. Green is just fine. Green is beautiful. Look at this beautiful green. Now this is a bell sleeve with a tie. I'm gonna have to see about that. I don't really know how I feel about that. I did select for them to send it because, you know, it can't hurt to try. So this is the color block hem sweater. Nope, that's not what this is. This is the tie bell sleeve pullover sweater in medium in vino, actually green, for $40. Very, very pretty. Super soft. The brand is ISELA. I'm not sure. I'm not sure what that is. Okay, and this is the QPO cable sweater. This is unbelievably soft. Okay, I really like this. This is my kind of sweater. Simple, basic, lightweight. Okay, there we go. Long sleeve. It's very lightweight, round hem, split side. No, it's not a split side. It was just a crease. This is $43 and unbelievably soft. The color that I had selected or was given the choice in was taupe. I like the blue even better. And this, I'm actually really excited about this. Isn't this interesting? When I saw this, I was like, wow, that's so different. Usually these types of tops have a cowl neck on them, which I don't care for. This doesn't. I'm so excited. I hope that this is really oversized. It's in my size. It's a medium. This is VERVEAMI, Vervame. I don't know. It's a medium, and it is color block hem sweater, medium dark blue, $40. I really super like that. Really like that. Okay, and I was wrong. The round knit hem sweater was supposed to be in blue. This is the one I was thinking of. This one, the cable knit sweater in taupe. I just love the trim on this. I love the detail on the sleeve and the detail on the hemline with the zigzags. I love that. This is like I really like this, but it looks kind of small. This is Jean Pierre in a medium, and it is $43. Fashom, if you keep 3 items, you receive a 25% discount. You don't have to keep 5 items. You only have to keep 3, which is great. So this is fantastic. And I have to tell you, this would complete my winter wardrobe. I really would not need anything else. It doesn't get cold enough here in Texas. One second. To really need a full, you know, too many more clothes. So I'm gonna try these on. You have already seen me try everything on. Now I'm gonna try everything on and we'll be right back for the recap. Okay, I'm not really sure how that try on went. So if it's off, I apologize. I'm trying to work out exactly where I need to stand and position my camera so that I'm actually in frame in the split screen. It's trickier than you think it is. Anyway, I have the blue color block sweater on. I love it. I'm keeping it. I really like it. I might wear like a tank underneath it, a lightweight tank or something underneath it, just because it's kind of blousy on the sides and the wind kicks up under there. It might be a little chilly. So this top, the striped top is $40. This top, I love this. I really love this. It's that clingy, stretchy, which isn't always my favorite, and this actually feels like pajamas, but I really like it. I think this will be great under a cardigan. I have a red cardigan, black, gray, any color cardigan. I think this would be really nice underneath it since it's so lightweight. It's one of those that it's great for us here in Texas. I am kind of fluffy right now, just got off a cruise ship, and I indulged in many foods. So I'm a little fluffier than I normally am. So this will fit perfectly in just a few days when the salt and sugar is out of my system. Anyway, so I'm definitely keeping that one. That is the striped crisscross front tee in medium gray and white for $40. I mean, I think that's a little expensive for the type of top it is, but I think you're paying for the brand here and you're still getting it at a great price for, you know, for a subscription box. So this top here, I think is really cute. It just didn't suit me, didn't fit me properly. The sleeves would drive me crazy, although it is really pretty, and I do like the green. It's just not something I would reach for in my closet. This blue sweater, I love this. It's blue. It's a lightweight, light sweater, great for a pair of jeans. Not quite long enough for leggings, but for crop pants here. We wear crop pants here in Texas clear to December because it's hot. It's not hot, it's just not a cold fall. And this is a perfectly good lightweight sweater. It's perfect. I have a pink one very similar to this, and I will wear them both constantly. And that blue sweater is knit round hem top in medium in sky. It's $43. This, I don't know. Maybe it's the color. I'm not sure I look good in this color, and it just wasn't my favorite. Unfortunately, because I love the design, I love the pattern, I think maybe if it were red or blue or even black or just not this wheat gray color, taupey tan wheat color, just for me, I wasn't a fan of it. I don't know, it just was not my favorite. So we're not going to keep it. So there you go. So the total of the items I'm keeping is $40, $43, and $40. That's $123, and then the 25% discount. So that's great. So there you go. So I will leave my Fashom link below. They do have a special going on right now. So you might want to click on the link and get a little extra when you sign up this month. So take a look. I have everything linked below. I'm sorry, my dog is over there having a dream. She was having a dream, so she was running in her sleep. So that is another thing Fashom does. They donate to local pet charities, and I think that is awesome. Every box, they make a donation. So go ahead and check that out. So click around the website and see what you think. I'm a big fan of Fashom. I like that it comes to my door. I appreciate that. I can try it on and send back what I don't want, and 9 times out of 10 I end up keeping quite a bit of it. So there you go. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you'll give Fashom a try, and we will see you next time. Bye.